Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Farha Fadila binti Muhammad Fauzi from MBA 1114H. Today, I would like to present my individual assignment on rail transportation in Malaysia, focusing on Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad KTMB, KTM commuter in Klang Valley. Let me explain to you what is rail transportation. Rail transportation is a mode of transport that uses trains running on railway tracks to move passengers and goods. It is considered one of the most sustainable transportation systems because it can produce lower emission and consume less energy compared to many other transport modes. In Malaysia, rail transportation plays an important role in improving connectivity, supporting economic growth, and facilitating passenger and freight movement across the country. There are several important characteristics of rail transportation. First, it operates on fixed route and schedules, making services organized and predictable. Second, rail transport has a high carrying capacity, allowing a large number of passengers and goods to be transported efficiently. Third, it is generally considered safe and reliable due to strict operational procedures and safety standards. Lastly, rail transportation is energy efficient, helping reduce fuel consumption and environmental impact. Rail transportation offers many advantages. It helps reduce traffic congestion on roads, is environmentally friendly, cost-effective for freight transportation, and provide a comfortable and convenient travel experience for passengers. However, there are also some disadvantages. Rail systems require high infrastructure investment, have limited flexibility because train can only operate on tracks, may experience service disruption, and depend heavily on fixed route and schedules. Malaysia continues to improve its railway infrastructure through projects and policies. One example is the Trans-Asian Railway Network, which aims to strengthen rail connection between Malaysia and other Asian countries. The government also supports railway development through policies such as the National Transport Policy, the Railway Act 1991, and the National Railway Industry Development Plan. These initiatives help improve regional connectivity, trade activities, and the overall efficiency of rail transportation. Despite its benefits, rail transportation faces several challenges. These include high maintenance and operating costs, service disruption caused by technical issues or maintenance work, and difficulties in integrating modern technologies into all the railway systems. Several stakeholders are involved in Malaysia's rail transportation industry. These include government agencies such as the Ministry of Transport, transport operators like KTMB, passengers and consumers like commuters and travelers, environmental groups like Malaysian Natural Society, and community organizations like resident organization. Each stakeholder plays an important role in ensuring the success and sustainability of railway services. For the case study, I focus on KTM commuter in Klang Valley. KTM commuter is a commuter rail service operated by KTMB Berhad that provides daily transportation for thousands of passengers in the Klang Valley. The service connects major areas such as Kuala Lumpur, Klang, Rawang, and Batu Cave. It was introduced to meet the growing demand for public transportation and to improve mobility for daily commuters. As one of the most widely used rail services in Malaysia, KTM commuter plays an important role in supporting urban transportation by offering an affordable and reliable travel option. Next, let's take a look at the interaction between the components and stakeholders involved. KTM Berhad provides the rail services, while passengers depend on the service for work, education, and daily activities. Railway tracks and train infrastructure support safe and efficient train operation throughout the network. Stations provide essential facilities such as ticketing, waiting areas, and boarding access for passengers. In addition, signaling systems help ensure smooth and safe train movement, while maintenance teams are responsible for inspecting and repairing train and infrastructure to maintain service reliability. Now, let's discuss the impact of efficiency and effectiveness. Firstly, KTM commuter help reduce traffic congestion by encouraging people to use public transportation instead of private vehicles, especially during peak hours. Secondly, it improves commuter mobility by providing reliable transportation between residential and commercial areas. Lastly, it contributes to economic efficiency by offering affordable travel options and helping commuters save time compared to traveling by road during heavy traffic conditions. However, KTM commuter also faces several issues and challenges. One major issue is overcrowding during peak hours due to high passenger demand. Limited seating and standing space can reduce passenger comfort and affect the overall travel experience. Another challenge is service delays and operational disruption. Technical problems, signal failures, and maintenance work may cause delays affecting passenger schedules and reducing customer satisfaction. In addition, aging infrastructure and maintenance challenges remain a concern. Some railway tracks, signaling system, and facilities require continuous upgrade, while maintenance activities can sometimes disrupt normal operation. To overcome these challenges, several recommendations can be implemented. First, KTM Berhad should increase train frequency during peak hours to reduce overcrowding and improve passenger comfort. Second, regular maintenance and real-time monitoring system should be strengthened to detect technical issues early and reduce service delays. Finally, KTM Berhad should continue upgrading railway infrastructure and signaling system to improve operational reliability, reduce disruption, and ensure safer train operation. In conclusion, KTM commuter is an important transportation system in the Klang Valley, but improvement in capacity, maintenance, and infrastructure are necessary to enhance service, efficiency, and passenger satisfaction. That's all from me. Thank you.